Now, your first warned weather forecast from Chief Meteorologist Candace King.
Well, following what was a warm weekend, today we added in a little more humidity and a little more haze. You may have noticed that throughout this afternoon and evening, that haze really settling down to the ground. In fact, we look beyond that visibility. They are off in the horizon with our SkyTrack camera. And looks like we've got a little fog, but it's actually, again, that smoke from the wildfires dropping visibility down anywhere from 3 to 7 miles in some spots. So those hazy conditions, something that'll stick with us not only through this evening, but into the start of tomorrow. But notice the thickest concentration of that smoke kind of works a little further to our east and southeast throughout the day tomorrow. So there are going to be some improvements in that visibility for tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. Skies are still going to be hazy going into tomorrow, but we may see some improvements towards the middle to end of the week. Unfortunately, with that also means that our temperatures will be going up as well as that jet stream pattern begins to shift. We are starting to see that shift take place here this afternoon. We're at 85 in Freeport, Monroe, 84 in Janesville. Humidity is not too far. The dew point temperature is up a little bit, so that heat index not too far from where the actual air temperature sits, but you've probably noticed that humidity going up, and that is something that is going to stick with us and climb a little over the next several days. 85 for our weather watcher Terry in Genoa, relative humidity at 56%, a light northwesterly wind, and we've got that northwest wind through tonight and then into tomorrow, at least in the jet stream. But our wind pattern will start to shift a little more to the west, so that'll bring our temperatures up. In fact, the heat expected to expand a little further east, so that heat that's been out over the west and southwest. Now, it is not going to get as hot as what those temperatures are out west, because that big ridge of high pressure gets muddled a little bit, so it shrinks a little bit. But our temperatures will be going up. That means we could see several days of 90-degree heat index near or above 100 degrees, at least one of those days. However, this is the thing we really have to pay attention to. Storms towards the middle to end of the week could actually temper some of that heat. So what am I talking about here? Well, this big ridge of high pressure, you can really see it on water vapor imagery. Here's that ridge where the jet stream goes up over the west, and then it dips down here across the Great Lakes. This is that northwest flow, which is pulling that smoke in from the fires in Canada. Watch what happens as we go throughout the week. That northwest flow begins to turn a little more to the west. So that big ridge of high pressure, some of that heat begins to pull a little further east, but notice with that ridge, it starts to shrink a little bit. Now, the one thing we're going to have to keep an eye on, how close are we to this active part of the jet stream right here? Because if we see several storm complexes come through, that means temperatures may not get quite as hot and we end up with more stormy days. However, if those storm complexes kind of work around the area, that means more dry time for us and the likelihood that those temperatures will be going up. Temperatures will be slow to sink here this evening. There are a few thunderstorms up to the northwest of us. Some of those may sneak in after midnight tonight, very early tomorrow, but it doesn't look like it is going to be too much for us for the afternoon. Winds will shift around to the south. I think we've got a good shot of seeing those temperatures in the low 90s, especially as we move out some of that cloud cover. Warm front coming in Tuesday night into Wednesday. This will be our first chance for some thunderstorms. Some of those may have some smaller hail with them, but any residual outflow boundaries from that, we are going to have to watch Wednesday afternoon, because that is our first potential for some strong to severe thunderstorms Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening, especially with that heat building. If we continue with that, Thursday by far looks like it could be the hottest day, and that's when that heat index, guys, would reach into the lower 90s. Some improvements as we break that ridge going into the upcoming weekend.